हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में।
नेशनल यूथ डे। National Youth Day is celebrated in India on 12th January every year. This day marks the birthday of great Indian philosopher Swami Vivekananda. Indian government declared January 12th as the National Youth Day in 1984, and since 1985 the event is celebrated in India every year. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. His original name was Narendranath Datta. His father Vishwanath Datta was an attorney at the Kolkata High Court. His mother Bhuvaneshwari Devi was a devout housewife. The teachings of Swami Vivekananda are the biggest philosophical asset of the country. The motto of declaring Youth Day on the birth date of this philosophical guru was motivating and inculcating these pious ideals to the coming generation. As per the quote from the Government of India Communication, it was felt that the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda ji and the ideals for which he lived and worked could be a great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. National Youth Day is observed with great devotion towards Swami Vivekananda at headquarters of Ramakrishna Matha and Ramakrishna Mission as well as their branch centers. At various places, Mangal Aarti, Homa, meditation, devotional songs, religious discourses and Sandhya Aarti are held on this day. The National Youth Day is also observed in almost all educational institutes of the country with great enthusiasm.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर.